If you're seeing a Lucidchart error 504, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it, step by step. A 504 gateway timeout usually means Lucidchart's servers took too long to respond, but in many cases, the issue is on your browser, your network, or a temporary connection problem. So before you assume something is broken forever, let's go through the most effective fixes together. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, check whether Lucidchart is actually having a server issue. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. Open Lucidchart's official status page or use a website like Is It Down Right Now to see if other users are reporting outages. If the service is down, the best option is usually to wait until Lucidchart restores access. If the servers are working normally, then the error is probably coming from your browser or your network connection. Next, test your internet connection. A 504 error can happen when your network can't properly reach Lucidchart's servers. Try reloading the page after a few seconds, then check whether other websites are loading normally. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily and try again. VPNs and proxy servers can sometimes interfere with cloud apps and create timeout errors. If possible, switch to a different connection, like a mobile hotspot, and see if Lucidchart loads there. If it works on another network, then your main network may be blocking or slowing the connection. If you're on a work network, your IT team may need to check whether a firewall or security rule is restricting access. Now try opening Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. This is one of the easiest ways to test whether your browser is causing the problem. In Chrome, open incognito mode. In Firefox or Safari, open a private window. In Edge, use in private mode. Then sign in to Lucidchart again and see if the 504 error still appears. If Lucidchart works in private mode, that usually means the issue is caused by a browser extension, corrupted cache, or stored data in your normal browser session. If that happens, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored files can get outdated or corrupted and trigger loading problems. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or security section, and clear cookies and cached images and files. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and reopen it, then log back into Lucidchart. This simple step fixes a lot of timeout and loading errors, especially if you use Lucidchart regularly. If the problem only happens in your regular browser and not in incognito mode, then a browser extension may be the culprit. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other add-ons can interfere with Lucidchart's requests. Go to your extensions list and disable them one by one. After disabling each one, reload Lucidchart and check whether the error is gone. This helps you identify the exact extension causing the conflict. Once you find it, you can leave it off for Lucidchart or whitelist the site so it doesn't interfere again. If none of that works, try a different web browser. Sometimes the browser you normally use has a compatibility issue or a bad configuration. For example, if you usually use Chrome, try Microsoft Edge or Firefox instead. If Lucidchart opens normally in another browser, then the issue is most likely specific to your original browser, and you may need to update it or reset its settings. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the Lucidchart error 504. The key is to move from the outside in. First confirm whether Lucidchart is down, then test your network, then isolate your browser, cache, and extensions. That approach saves time and helps you find the real cause much faster. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, productivity tips, and software tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.